Tashkent, Uzbekistan. Tashkent, was good time spent. If that's your intent, oh, 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 Tashkent.
Okay, we're gonna be walking down this particular street. It's called Istiklal, and we're a university called WIUT. There's some of my searches, so we're gonna be going down that way and checking it out. And it's kind of interesting. There's this big meter to meter square. Got these giant monuments like this one. Looks like maybe a museum. There's a clock tower that I was reading about earlier. Then there's a hotel Uzbekistan in the distance right over there. This giant circle with a beautiful park and a little tourist area right over there. But so my last video, I've already had 3 videos. This is the 4th video where we're just kind of filming parts of Tashkent to give you a feel for what it looks like as if you were here yourself. So stay tuned. Got my Central Asian hat on today, and this one we're going to be going into the university area of Tashkent. I'm going to mispronounce it, so I'm not even going to try, but you can see it down below, and you can see it up on the map, so you can see exactly where we are. We're going to be walking down the street from the monuments and kind of checking out some of the university hangouts along this big major boulevard. Anyways, you'll see it for yourself on the map, and as if you're there yourself, because you're going to come with me on the camera. All right, a little slice of Tashkent. Okay, so that's that giant monument. Like those windows and those pillars look like they're like 10 stories high. And there's the hotel Uzbekistan. That one is a landmark, like a Soviet style hotel. Lots of like kind of monument style in the city of Tashkent. Academy of Arts of Uzbekistan. It's kind of cool. Nice beautiful door. Nice beautiful sign. Lots of photography. Oh yeah, okay, so we're gonna be walking down the University Street right now. So this one has, I was kind of looking at places to go, so I asked AI to give me some recommendations for where a lot of students might hang out. And they said down here, and I am seeing students look like in kind of the traditional uniforms. And we got some parks over here too. So let's get down there further and we'll show you more of the street. Walking by a giant park, more like maybe a playground or something. It's like an art exhibition kind of thing. And I can see a lot more students up that way, even book bags and such, so we'll get up in that way. And we'll get up there too and show you what that food stand thing is. Buzz Trucks, it even has an Instagram page, places you can sit over on this side as well. And we're gonna come over to this side and try to capture it. And then there's another one over here too. So yeah, I guess maybe this caters towards this university crowd. And that other building had a university label as well. Looks like we have some more things over here too. Ganga. So Ganga looks like a place to hang out, like tables and chairs. And there's a few more around the corner too. So we'll see what those are as well. There's Everest. Cafeteria, Pizza Napoletana, Naples Pizza, Burger City. Okay. So yeah, I guess if you saw my other videos, you can kind of see a theme of how things are built in here. And there's a restaurant to the right and a book cafe right here as well. Let's see this is real quick. So I don't know how big this is, but anyways, book cafe, that entrance, and that one looks like the restaurant. And on that side, that kind of looks like a university style building. So black pool, billiards, that looks like something catering towards students. Karaoke pub. And it looks like some university buildings right here too. So we are kind of getting into something like that. Everest. There's a coffee shop as well. So we are going to keep on going down. This looks like a kind of a university type of building. Nice brick from a certain era. And then over there, there's a KFC. So it looks like they got some fast food for the, wow. Students here really love KFC. Jeez, look at that. It's crazy. Like everything is just KFC. I guess they love their KFC here. Damn, it's crazy. I guess they buy it over there and they walk down the street with the KFC and throw it in the garbage on their way. Okay, so it looks like we're gonna come up. There's a hotel right there. It looks like KFC, and I think this is gonna be more university stuff. So let's get across the street and we'll film some more. There's a sign: Toshkent, Westminster University. So now we have a label to it. Okay, now let's get across the street. Still a KFC there too. There it is in English. So I guess the other one was in the local Uzbek language. Westminster International University in Tashkent. Little flower bed. Lighting. Okay, we're still trying to get across the street here, so let's get over there and see what's over there. As we try to get over, there's more scooter share. So the city has a lot of scooter shares, so you can get all of these. There's even an emergency call if you have problems. I guess that's good for the students if they have any issues. More of those. And we are going to try to get over there. Okay, we officially crossed the street. That was where that building was at. That was the KFC. That was when we went down. And I think that might be the university right there. So that might be kind of what it was all about. There's an international English school. There might be stuff here, but it feels like there's more like fences and buildings without stores that I can see. So I think that maybe that is more of the university, like this whole block. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down this way and kind of take a look, and then we'll probably end the video shortly. So we came back to this side, and I think that is all the university back there. Looks like they even have like credit cards for the university students, I guess, advertising that. Maybe that also explains some of the bike share stuff as well. And yeah, there's Westminster University, so I guess this block is kind of, and these gates probably are the entrance points to it. So I guess that little stretch of stuff that we saw there was probably catering to the students. So okay, we even have a bike lane. I guess I'm walking that way now. So we'll walk down a little bit and then we'll verify it before we end it. Yeah, so that's the Westminster International University in Tashkent. So yeah, I guess that is all the university. So maybe we'll just walk down a little bit and verify it. Here comes a kid on some scooters, having a good time. I think there's also like some benches in here, but yeah, the kids are down there. Looks like they just came to a stop, so maybe they're gonna park. Anyways, maybe you can't see that in the camera, but we'll end this for right now. So I guess we're just gonna end the video, but so that's also part of it too. It looks like there's an entrance in here. This might be more of it up here too, but I think I'm gonna end the video. And then around it, you can see some more coffee shops I saw over here. And I think this is, let me see. I see something in technology, so I think this might be, it also be maybe part of the university as well. But anyways, you can't really see. I can see this tall building, so I think this is a good ending spot for it. So now you have an idea of another slice of Tashkent. Actually, this is the Tashkent University of Economics and Technology in Tashkent, and there's another sign there too. So this is the one, we'll end it here. So this building was the one that's connected to that, which makes sense because I heard that there's a lot of universities right where we started filming at, and they're not too far from that Amir Timur area. Circle. All right. So that'll be our ending. Give you a little 360 so you can see all the traffic going by as well, and all the trees.